What do these four legendary photographers have in common? What did they do to make their craft so strong? How did they become so innovative? How did they achieve such greatness? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple.
I can't do it alone. It has to be a collaboration.
Collaboration.
New York, one of the best cities in the world. And why do I think that? It's got to be because of all the people. With all those people comes infinite opportunities to collaborate. Collaboration is one of the most important things you can do as a photographer. One of the most important skill sets you can have. It allows you to work with new people, try new ideas, step outside of your comfort zone. More importantly, it allows you to grow.
So your head angle just comes a little towards me? Yeah.
Doing a neti pot with fake blood.
Collaboration is key in photography. If you're not collaborating, you're missing out on taking your photography to the next level and becoming one of the greatest photographers on the planet.
It's a combination of graphic simplicity and the power of spirit and soul.
Now, I know a lot of people like to work and do things on their own, but you can't do everything on your own. Maybe sometimes you can set up a shoot like this, but portrait photography is all about collaboration. I spend a lot of time alone working as a photographer. A lot of reach outs, doing emails every day, trying to find new collaborators. It gets a little upsetting with the lack of responses. You can't let that bog you down. There are so many people in this world that are just itching to collaborate with you. You have to be diligent, you have to be patient, you have to be professional, you have to be kind. Be consistent trying to find new people to work with. There's a skill set, just like photography. You have to chip away at it, you have to get better at it. I promise you, once you get into the groove and start finding people to collaborate with, that's when your work grows, that's when your portfolio starts to get better, and that's when people start coming to you. But it all starts by shooting one person, and then shooting two, and then letting your circle grow and grow, and starting from there.
You think it would stain your face? Like, it doesn't have to be perfect.
But that's what I like about that, is like its blotchiness.
It's over, yeah. Yeah!
It was just as important as learning how to use a camera. And once you start finding those collaborators and getting into the groove, it's just part of running a photography business. Then it just leads to great work. You find photography is about 50% artistry, 50% business. And I think finding a collaborator goes both in business and in artistry.
You can feel it coming. Right there, yeah.
New York's one of the meccas for photography, mainly because it's just an incestual, swirling pool of talent. If you don't live in New York City, it doesn't matter. Find friends and family, artists, new people. Get out there and collaborate. My name's Corey Vanderplu at Corey Photo on Twitter and Instagram. Happy shooting.